Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a helpful teacher hack for Google Slides. So if you're anything like me, Google Slides is a go-to tool and is so fantastic for giving students options. As a teacher, you can put in lots of media, and it's also great for having students work together. They're pretty familiar with Google Slides and they love customizing them and kind of making them their own. So every now and then you might find yourself in a situation where maybe your whole class is working on the same Google Slides presentation and you want to see how everyone is doing. So in Google Slides, you actually have some more view setting options that can support this, as well as just give you some different choices when you're working on slides yourself, presenting them, or watching students work. So within Google Slides, by default, it is set up here where you have this little film strip view with all of your different slides and they're numbered here. However, right beside that, you have grid view in Google Slides. So if I toggle on grid view, I can see all of my slides this way. So this is a really helpful option if perhaps you have students all working together on one combined class slide deck and everyone's working on a different slide and you want to jump in really quickly and see if there's some slides where maybe students appear to be struggling or if they've put a certain color on the slide to indicate they need your help. Anything like that is a great way to do it. It's also great if maybe as the teacher you want to toggle into this view and just kind of a quick overview of your slides, but maybe before you print it so you know what your ratio should be for slides per page. Another choice there, and you can even zoom out further on these if you would like, or zoom in. You can always switch back over here by going back to that film strip view. The other choice you have for a more zoomed in view on Google Slides without going into presentation mode, this is something I would show your students because sometimes they don't like to go into presentation mode when they're viewing your slides and taking notes at the same time. This could be something that's a helpful option for them. So it's basically getting rid of this film strip and the speaker notes right here. So what you can do is go to view and you just unselect these options that are here. So show speaker notes, gone, moves in a little bit closer. And then if I do view and then show film strip, I can hide that as well. So it's almost like I'm in presentation mode, but I don't have to keep escaping and zooming out of my presentation when I need it. So another helpful teacher hack here and student hack for viewing different options in Google Slides.